To download and play Thronefall on a PC or laptop, start by downloading Steam, an app that allows you to buy, download, install, and play games. This is done by going to Google, typing in Steam, and clicking on the official website, which is store.steampowered.com. Once on the website, click on Install Steam at the top of the page. Select your platform, and then click Install Steam again. The Steam setup will then download onto your computer. After the setup has downloaded, click on it to open the Steam setup. Then click Next. Select your language, and click Next again. You will then be prompted to choose a destination folder for the installation of Steam, which can be left as is or changed. After selecting the folder, click Install, and Steam will be installed on your computer. Once Steam is installed, open the app, and you will be asked to either log in or create an account. If you don't have an account, create one, which is a straightforward process that will guide you through each step. After creating an account and logging in, you will see the Steam store. Click on Store at the top left of the page. Then type Thronefall into the search box at the top right. Click on the game, and once the page loads, scroll down to where it says Buy Thronefall or Add to Cart. Click on Add to Cart, then View Cart, where you can choose to buy the game for yourself or as a gift. After selecting your purchase option, choose your payment method from the drop-down menu. Then press Continue. You will then need to go through the checkout process, pay for the game, and buy it. Once you have bought the game, it will be added to your Steam library, which can be found at the top of the page where it says Library. Click on Library, and you will see your Thronefall game listed. Click on the game, then press the blue Install button. You can then choose whether to create a desktop or start menu shortcut and select which drive to install the game on. After pressing Install, the game will automatically be downloaded and installed onto your computer. When the installation is complete, you will receive a notification from Steam, and you will see a green Play button. Click on the Play button to launch the game and start playing.